Electrostatic is very important step in the study of engineering electromagnetics. Electrostatic is science related electric charges which are static that are rest. Electrostatic involves attraction and repulsion of charged particles. Electrostatic involves attraction and repulsion of charged particles. Electrostatic is the physics that deals with interaction of non-moving charges or static charges. See the animation. Like charges repulse to each other. Like charges mean charges of same sign. That is positive, both the positive charges or both the negative charges that are like charges. Unlike charges. Unlike charges mean charges of opposite sign. One is the positive charge and second one is negative charge. Positive charge attracts negative charges and repels other positive charges. And negative charge attracts positive charges and repel other negative charges. See the animation. Positive charge attract negative charges and repel other positive charges. Negative charge attract positive charges and repel other negative charges. See this animation. An electric charge has its effect in a region or space around it. This region is called electric field of that charge. Such an electric field produced due to stationary electric charges does not vary with time. It is time invariant and it is called static electric field. The study of such time invariant electric field in a space or vacuum produced by various static charge distributions is called as electrostatics. Once again, the definition of electrostatics: the study such time invariant electric fields in a space or vacuum produced by various static charge distributions is called electrostatic. The good example of electrostatic is cathode ray tube. The good example of electrostatic is cathode ray tube. For focusing a beam and deflecting a beam. For focusing a beam and deflecting a beam. Electrostatic plays very important role in our day-to-day life. Electrostatic plays very important role in our day-to-day life. That are most of the computer peripheral devices like keyboards, touchpads, liquid crystal displays, etc. Work on the principle of electrostatics. A variety of machines such as X-ray machines and medical instruments used for electrocardiogram, scanning, etc. is the principle of electrostatic. Many industrial processes like spray painting, electrodeposition use the principle of electrostatic. Many components, electronic components such as capacitor, resistors, and many devices such as bipolar transistors, field effect transistors use the principle of electrostatics. Electrostatic is also used in agricultural activities such as shorting seeds, spray spraying to plants, etc. Use the principle of electrostatics. So these are the different applications, different advantages of electrostatics. Electrostatic is very useful in our day-to-day life. That are these. Static charges is also called as non-moving charges. So non-moving charges creates a electric field. So now coming to what is electric field and what is magnetic field. Static charges creates electric field. Moving charges creates magnetic field. And this is the static charge. See the animation, static charge. This is the static charge or non-moving charges. It creates an electric field, and these are the moving charges. These moving charges creates a magnetic field. If the charges are in rest, which is known as electric field. If the charges are in motion, which is known as magnetic field. If the charges are in accelerated, which is known as electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic fields are closely related to the electric field and magnetic field. Electromagnetic is the subject of electric fields and magnetic fields. Electromagnetic waves don't pass through the conductors. Electromagnetic waves are passed through insulators. For human being, electromagnetic waves cannot see, cannot touch, cannot smell, cannot taste, cannot hear electromagnetic waves. For human beings, cannot see the electromagnetic waves, cannot touch the electromagnetic waves, cannot smell the electromagnetic waves, cannot hear the electromagnetic waves, cannot taste the electromagnetic waves. Cell phone is a major contribution of electromagnetic pollution, and it is called electromagnetic weapon. Electromagnetic pollution produced by electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves produced by antenna. Electromagnetic waves produced by antenna. The nickname of cell phone is electromagnetic weapon. Electrostatic allows the material to fall under two main categories, so that are conductors and insulators. Insulator is also called as a dielectric. What is the conductor and what is the insulator? Conductors allow the charges to pass through them. Dielectrics does not allow the charges to pass through them. And see the animation. Electrical conductors are materials through which electrons move freely. Electrical conductors are materials through which electrons move freely. Metals are the good conductors because of how they share the electrons. See the animations. Electrons move freely. Electrical insulators are materials that don't let electrons move freely. And see the picture. Insulators would be used for wire coating for electrons. Insulators would be used for wire coating for electrons. So this is conductor and this is insulators. Conductors allow the charges. Insulators does not allow the charges to pass through them. Conductors allows the charges to pass through them. Insulators does not allow the charges to pass through them. In electrostatic, basically there are two fundamental laws, that are Coulomb's law and Gauss law. So this is the introduction to electrostatic. What is electric field? Static charges creates an electric field. And what is magnetic field? Moving charges creates a magnetic field. And what is electromagnetic field? Electromagnetic field, if the charges are in accelerated, then it is known as electromagnetic field. In electromagnetic subjects, electric fields and magnetic fields are closely related to each other. What is electrostatic? Electrostatic is a science related electric field. Electrostatics involves attraction and repulsion of charged particles. That is electrostatic. And what are the good examples of electrostatic? Cathode ray tube for focusing a beam and deflecting a beam. In our day-to-day life, electrons are very much useful. So what are the day-to-day components or events? Liquid crystal displays, touchpads, keyboards, etc. Okay, thank you. Next class we will discuss about Coulomb's